Hey everybody, this is Heath from Heath's Model Works. Today is the final on my 1969 Roadrunner kit bash. If anybody's been following me, they know this has been a long time coming. Pretty custom job here where I've really taken three different model kits to come up with the Roadrunner in the form that the car that my father had when he was a young boy, to get the kit to be just like his. His Roadrunner was a 383 with a 4-speed. It had limelight green metallic, and it had the two-tone green interior. So to get to this kit, we kit bashed AMT 68 Roadrunner chassis with a 383 out of the 68 Dodge Charger Revell kit and the 1969 Johan Roadrunner body. So those three kits went into this model. Most of you that have been following me know that the interior is completely custom, that I modeled in SolidWorks and 3D printed. I sell that on my website, heathsmodelworks.com, as well as my eBay store. Just Google Heath's Model Works and you should find all the items that I'm selling on eBay. Or if you just want to go right to my website, heathsmodelworks.com. Tons of parts for these Roadrunner kits are available there. Mainly the interior parts, but the Keystone Klassics I also made up specific for this 68 AMT chassis. These are made to work with the kit's wheels, wheel backs, and tires. So they're just a simple addition. I also added little spacers. I 3D printed them in there to move the wheels outward to make it fill the wheel wells a little better, get a more muscular stance. So that was also part of this build. But steering wheel, bench seat, dashboard, door panels, rear bench seat, interior tub, all were modeled in SolidWorks and 3D printed. And then the paint I got mixed right from the factory color. So this is a limelight green metallic. I guess I'll go over the engine a little bit too, because it is a like I said, it's a 383. It's got a pretty much stock setup. I don't have the decal yet for the air cleaner. I'm hoping to get myself one of the Ray's decal kits for this one, because he's got a really nice Roadrunner specific air cleaner decal. And the same goes for the body side decal with the Roadrunner and the Roadrunner logo on it. But just have to do for now, because those are hard to come by these days. Anyway, that's the 69 Roadrunner. Got a little slideshow I'm going to follow, and I'll put some links to my website and my eBay store in the description. So if anybody's interested in building up the Roadrunner model similar to the way I have, wants a true 69 detailed interior, you can shop it up and build yours that way. I have the two different style gauge clusters, one with the base gauges, and then another one that has the optional tack. And I also have the radio delete plate that you can put in this dashboard as well if you're trying to build a drag car. All right, have a good one, everybody. Stay tuned, watch my clips here. I got pretty much high-res photos of all the different aspects of this model. Enjoy.